How to get $50 Uber promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website, grab on. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 14% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Copy the code, then head towards the website of Uber, log into your account, make your order and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over you type in the code and confirm you're right. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you hit back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Uber. This way you can easily get up to $50 working promo code for Uber. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.